Hi everyone. Today I'm here with a very requested raspberry recipe and I'm going to be showing how easy it is to make this delicious raspberry at home. It is indeed a bit tricky and time consuming. However, you guys, it's worth it. Here I've taken 1 liter of milk. Keep stirring the milk so that it does not burn at the bottom of the pan and malai forming on top. Once the milk has come to a boil, turn off the heat and wait for a minute before adding the lemon juice. I've taken 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Add it to the mixture and keep stirring it gently. After a while, it looks like this. Now we need a strainer and a cheesecloth or cotton cloth, but if you don't happen to have any of these, you can also use a clean kitchen towel. Now drain the mixture and wash the chana under cold running water. It removes the sourness from using the lemon juice and also it cools down the mixture. Gently squeeze as much excess water as possible. And also make sure to not squeeze it very hard, otherwise the raspberry will not turn out as spongy. Now hang it somewhere for 3 hours so that the remaining water also drains out. After 3 hours, take the fresh chena and start breaking the lumps. And now we have to knead it very well for 7 to 8 minutes. After kneading for 7 to 8 minutes, it should be very soft like this. Now pinch a small amount and start making balls out of it. We need to make it very smooth and soft with no cracks. Now let's make the sugar syrup. To 1 liter of water, add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, sugar 500 grams. Once the sugar is dissolved completely, bring it to a boil and add all the raspberry balls in the syrup. After that, cover it with the lid and let it boil for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, the size has almost doubled. Now switch off the flame and let it come to the room temperature. Keep it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours before serving. Try this recipe and if you follow the steps, it will turn out as delicious and spongy. I'll be back with another food recipe, so keep watching. Thank you.